야야야야, 대박 사건, 대박 사건.
뭐야?
너 가희 알지, 가희?
응, 우리 학교 제일 예쁜 언니잖아.
맞아. 내가 가희 아주 빅 스캔들 하나 가져왔지.
헐, 너무나 궁금한 것.
그게 어떻게 된 거냐면 말이야.
잠깐만, 그럼 나 그거 영어로 좀 알려줘. 나 영어 공부해야 돼.
아, 영어 공부?
응.
Okay, let's try.
Let's try.
Guy joined the music club. La la la. The club leader seemed to be very popular. Well, Gahi fell in love with the leader, and they started their relationship. However, Guy felt something strange was going on. She felt somebody was stalking her. One day, Guy's book was ripped into tiny pieces. Also, the next day, she received a threat message. Guy was too scared. Finally, Gahi encountered the stalker at the school bathroom. Surprisingly, it was her boyfriend's ex-girlfriend. She still didn't give him up. Well, Gahi ended her relationship.
대박.
Okay, the action is very, very important. Okay, so show some motions
Motion
and action.
and action.
Okay, very good. Did Gahi fall in love with the teacher?
No, Gahi didn't fall in love with the teacher.
Good. I think we're off to a good start. Did Gahi fall in love with the leader?
Yes, Gahi fell in love with the leader.
Good. That's good. Did Guy feel something happy was going on?
No, Guy didn't feel something happy. What's going on?
Okay, good. Did Guy feel something strange was going on?
Yes, Guy felt something strange was going on.
Okay. Now just to relax a little bit. One thing. Instead of saying strangey, just say strange.
Strange.
Yeah, so keep the end short. Not strange. It's strange.
Strange.
Good. Was Guy's book wrapped firmly?
No, Guy's book wasn't warmed for me. Wrapped for me.
That's right. Wrapping.
Ah,
Was Guy's book ripped into tiny pieces?
yes, Guy's book was ripped into tiny pieces.
Yes. Very good. Did Gahi receive a love message?
No, Guy didn't receive a love message.
Okay. We got to be very careful here. Guy didn't, so that's already a past tense, and then you said received, right? So in that case, we just say Guy didn't receive. Not received, but receive a love message.
Okay,
Did Gahi pay for an information message?
no, Guy didn't pay for an information message.
That's right. Did Gahi receive a threat message?
Yes, Guy received a threat message.
Okay.
오빠, 근데 received의 연음이 뭐야?
In English, we say the sound in a bit longer. So, received.
Received.
Good. And then instead of going too long at the last sound, bd, right? Just go like bd.
But
So received.
received.
Good. Did Gahi encounter the stalker at the school bathroom?
Yes, Gahi encountered the stalker at the school bedroom.
Okay. Was the stalker Gahi's boyfriend's mother?
No, the stalker was not Gahi's boyfriend's mother.
Good. Who was the stalker?
The stalker was Guy's boyfriend's ex-girlfriend.
That's right. That's right. Very good. Very good. Good memory.
아 근데 그 언니 너무 불쌍하다. 웬일이야 진짜.
그러게. 가이드 참. 아무튼 넌 남자를 조심해야 돼. 어? 이 남자는 말이야. 어? 딱히 오빠 같은 남자를 만나야 돼.
아니야.
아니야?
응.